Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a stage lighting machine. It's making smoking. This problem is customer has given me. It's not power. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working, and smoke also it's not powerful. So let me show you what is the common problem. This is the heating element. This is the heating element, and there is thermal fuse. If it is not working, you can check the continuity thermal fuse. This is the thermal fuse. This is the heating element. After turn on, you can check it's hot or not. If it is hot, so that means your heating element is okay. And there is a pump motor. Pump motor. So most of the time it's this stage lighting machine, this problem is heating element or pump motor. In this machine I have checked this pump motor is spoiled, so I have changed the pump motor. So let's see how is it. So I have turned it on. Light is on. So this is the switch. We have to wait until green. If it is green light, then if we turn it on, then smoke will come out from here. So we have to wait until green light indicator. So there is nothing. So one more thing important, there is filter inside. There is filter. Just open this cover, and there is inside is filter. If you see it's not very powerful, you can clean the filter also. Now it's a green light, the green indicator. So if I press it, then smoke will come out. So let's try press. Alhamdulillah, it's working fine. Thank you so much for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.